How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. Again, we have a late episode. In this case, I'm gonna work on the 2019 Toyota RAV4. I'm gonna do the LEDs on the interior again. So this is gonna be a 2.0 episode. I went to Amazon. I was looking for stuff, and I found this kit. This one is for the 2019-2020 Toyota RAV4, and I'm gonna do some upgrade on the LEDs on the inside. They're bright, they're really good, but we have something better. I don't know much about the quality of these lights, but this is the one we have now. A lot of LEDs. I know it's gonna be super bright, and this is for the one on the back. These two, they're for the front. We have some small ones for the visors, which is this one right here, and they provide me with this one for the cargo area on the back, but these the ones that really low quality. I don't like these ones. If you remember, I put my monster LED on the back. So like I said, this is gonna be a really easy installation. These two are for the front dome, and these ones they're gonna be for the visor, which that's the only thing I'm gonna use. Link is gonna be in the description for this kit, and this episode is not sponsored, guys. Like I said before, I don't know how long they're gonna last, if they're gonna last a long time. Quality looks okay on this light, so I know it's gonna be super bright. This is the light that those LEDs provide right now. In camera it looks bright, but actually if I go over there, it's not super bright. Here we have the one for the dome. I have my tool to remove panels. Just gonna pry this out. That's the LED. So compare this little small LED to this giant. If we look this one, it has adhesive, but I don't know if I want to go that extreme. I don't think I'm gonna put the adhesive, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Hopefully it doesn't bounce around, but it looks like it's gonna fit just right in there. I'm gonna connect it, see which is the right way, and let's see how bright it is. Wow, that's gonna be amazing. Okay, so that's the right way. We're just gonna try to make sure that it's in place. I'm really excited about this one, guys, because these LEDs are money. I hope they last a long time too, and I hope they fit just right. Wow, now that is money right there. If you see that, wow, that's super bright. So all the LEDs is, it looks like they work fine. So if you compare that LED in the middle to those on the front, you barely see them because I changed the setup on the camera. And now look, those two on the front and this one is unbelievable, the difference. And now this is the type of light that is gonna provide here on the back. I'm gonna replace just one for now in camera, so you guys can see the difference between this LED and these giant LEDs. And like I said in my last episode, these ones they feel like they're gonna break, but you just have to pry on this side and these things they're gonna come off. And if you haven't checked that episode, I'm gonna put it right here so you can go and see that episode when I did all my lighting on this 2019 RAV4. Now that we have the cover out, when I see how these ones they're gonna fit in there. So it's gonna be this one. If we put it here inside, it goes right there inside. So that's the LED in place. Now we just gotta remove the other one, connect this one, and see if it works. Oh, it hurts my eyes. Okay, so like I said, put it in, just push it down. Make sure that the cable is nice in there. Oh, wow. You see that difference between this one and that one? This one has 3, 6, 24 LEDs compared to this little one, 9 and 8. So I just had to replace this one and the ones on the visors. So if you look at the ones on the visors, not that bright, but I don't know about these ones, so I'm gonna put one so you can see the difference as well. It looks a lot better than the other one. If you can see that super bright LED. Now that one, it doesn't look really hot. Now that one looks good. Let's see the other one. It doesn't look super white, but that one does. If you see this one, it's only 2. It doesn't have anything on the back. But what I like about this set is if you compare that to this, that one is a lot white and brighter. Amazing. So now let me change this one and this one, and we have the installation done. Check that out, guys. It fits really good in there, if you can see, and the cable connection, everything looks like good quality. It doesn't look that bad. Look how bright they are. So now that one is in place. There you go. There you have it, guys. LEDs are installed. It looks amazing, a lot better than before. And look at that, super white. And what I like about this new set is the LEDs. They cover the whole plastic in there, so it looks a lot better. Okay, guys, so this is from the outside. Let's unlock the truck. Look at that. Look at that. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. If you like this episode, guys, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.